Welcome back to Know This About Africa, the channel where we uncover the incredible potential and opportunities that Africa holds. In today's video, we have an exciting topic that will ignite your entrepreneurial spirit, make you money, and take you on a journey towards becoming an instant millionaire from Africa, whether you reside in Africa currently or not. Be sure to watch till the end as we unravel opportunities that are guaranteed to make you millionaires if you key in. Get ready to explore the unbelievable 30 business ideas that will make you a millionaire overnight in Africa. 1. E-commerce platform. Create a localized e-commerce platform that provides a user-friendly and secure online shopping experience. Offer a wide range of products tailored to the needs and preferences of African consumers, including electronics, fashion, home goods, and more. Implement efficient logistics and delivery systems to ensure prompt and reliable service. 2. Renewable energy solution. Invest in renewable energy projects such as solar power plants, harnessing Africa's abundant sunlight. Develop partnerships with local communities and governments to establish sustainable energy solutions that can power households, businesses, and even entire community. Consider biomass energy production and hydroelectric power generation in regions with suitable resources. 3. Agribusiness. Leverage Africa's vast agricultural potential by investing in large-scale farming operation. Focus on high-demand crops or specialized products, such as organic food, herbs, or spices. Explore value-added processing opportunities, such as food processing, packaging, and distribution. Foster partnerships with farmers, cooperatives, and local communities to ensure a sustainable and inclusive supply chain. 4. Mobile money services. Recognize the widespread use of mobile phones in Africa and establish a mobile money service. Offer secure and convenient financial transactions, including money transfers, bill payments, and mobile banking. Build partnerships with local banks, financial institutions, and mobile network operators to ensure seamless integration and widespread adoption. 5. Waste management and recycling. Address the growing waste problem in African cities by setting up waste management and recycling plants. Implement efficient waste collection system, sorting facilities, and recycling processes. Explore opportunities for turning waste into valuable resources, such as composting organic waste or recycling plastics into new products. 6. Affordable housing solution. Develop affordable and eco-friendly housing projects to cater to the needs of the urban population. Consider innovative construction methods, such as prefabricated housing, to reduce costs and construction time. Collaborate with local governments, NGOs, and financial institutions to make housing more accessible to low-income individuals and families. 7. Healthcare technology. Introduce innovative healthcare technologies that improve access to quality healthcare, especially in remote areas. Develop telemedicine platforms that connect patients with healthcare providers through video consultations. Explore the use of wearable devices for remote patient monitoring. Invest in AI-based diagnostic tools that can assist healthcare professionals in accurate and timely diagnosis. 8. Education technology. Harness technology to create e-learning platforms, online tutoring services, and educational apps. Develop interactive and engaging content that aligns with local curriculum standards. Collaborate with schools, universities, and educational organizations to ensure the relevance and effectiveness of the educational tools and resources. 9. Tourism and hospitality. Capitalizing on Africa's rich cultural heritage and diverse natural landscapes, establish unique tourism experiences, luxury resorts, or eco-lodges. Promote local attractions, wildlife safaris, cultural festivals, and adventure tourism. Provide exceptional customer service and focus on sustainability practices to attract both local and international tourists. 10. Financial technology, Fintech. Develop cutting-edge Fintech solutions tailored to the African market. Create digital banking services that offer convenient and accessible banking options, including mobile banking, online account management, and digital wallets. Explore peer-to-peer lending platforms that connect borrowers with lenders, making access to credit easier for small businesses and individuals. Consider implementing blockchain-based remittance systems for secure and low-cost cross-border transactions. 11. Aquaculture. Tap into Africa's vast water bodies by investing in fish farming and aquaculture projects. Conduct market research to identify high-demand fish species and develop sustainable aquaculture practices. Establish fish hatcheries, grow-out farms, and processing facilities to ensure a reliable supply chain. Collaborate with local communities and fishermen to promote sustainable fishing practices and provide economic opportunity. 12. Real estate development. Identify emerging markets and invest in commercial and residential real estate developments. Conduct thorough market research to identify areas with high growth potential and increasing demand for real estate. Develop office spaces, retail centers, and residential properties that cater to the needs of the target market. Emphasize sustainable and energy-efficient design to align with the growing focus on environmental consciousness. 13. Fashion and apparel manufacturing. Build a fashion brand that combines African aesthetics with global fashion trends. Establish garment manufacturing units to produce high-quality clothing and accessories. Collaborate with local artisans and textile manufacturers to showcase African craftsmanship. Develop distribution channels, both online and offline, to reach local and international customers. 14. Artisanal products. Promote African craftsmanship by exporting locally made artisanal products. Identify traditional crafts unique to different regions and collaborate with artisans to create marketable products such as handcrafted jewelry, textiles, home decor items, and pottery. Establish partnerships with retailers and e-commerce platforms to ensure wider reach and distribution. 15. Renewable water solution. Address water scarcity challenges by investing in innovative water management system. Establish desalination plants to convert seawater into fresh water in coastal regions. Implement water filtration technologies to provide clean drinking water in areas with limited access. Explore rainwater harvesting and storage system to ensure sustainable water usage. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts and questions, and subscribe to Know This About Africa for more fascinating content that explores the vast potential of the continent. Click on the notification bell to stay updated and never miss an opportunity to uncover the wealth of knowledge and opportunities that Africa has to offer. 16. Transportation and logistics. Optimize transportation and logistics network to meet the growing demand for efficient movement of goods and services. Establish delivery services that offer reliable and timely delivery, catering to both businesses and consumers. Invest in warehousing facilities strategically located to serve different regions. Develop specialized transportation solutions such as cold chain logistics to support industries like agriculture and healthcare. 17. Renewable cooking solutions. Introduce clean cooking technologies to reduce reliance on traditional cooking methods that contribute to indoor air pollution and deforestation. Establish biogas production units that convert organic waste into cooking gas. Promote improved cook stoves that are more energy efficient and produce fewer emissions. Explore solar-powered cooking devices for off-grid community. 18. Digital marketing and advertising. Offer digital marketing and advertising services tailored to African businesses. Develop strategies to help businesses effectively promote their products and services online. Provide services such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, content creation, and influencer marketing. Help businesses reach their target audiences and expand their online presence. 19. Social impact ventures. Launch social enterprises that focus on addressing pressing social and environmental issues. Identify specific challenges such as poverty, healthcare access, or environmental conservation, and develop sustainable business models that generate social impact. Collaborate with NGOs, government agencies, and local communities to maximize the reach and effectiveness of the social initiative. 20. Entertainment and media production. Tap into Africa's booming entertainment industry by producing and distributing movies, music, TV shows, or online content. Invest in content creation, talent development, and distribution channels. Collaborate with local artists, filmmakers, and production companies to showcase African talent and culture. Leverage digital platforms for wider reach and global distribution. 21. Online food delivery. Create a platform for online food ordering and delivery. Partner with local restaurants and food vendors to offer a diverse range of cuisines and dishes. Develop user-friendly apps and websites for convenient ordering and tracking. Ensure efficient and timely delivery services to provide a seamless experience for customers. 22. Manufacturing and assembly. Invest in manufacturing and assembly plants that produce consumer goods locally. Identify products in high demand and establish production facilities to meet market needs. Collaborate with suppliers, distributors, and retailers to streamline the supply chain. Focus on quality control and cost-effective production to remain competitive in the market. 23. Digital security solutions. Develop cybersecurity solutions to protect businesses and individuals from online threats. Offer services such as network security, data encryption, and vulnerability assessments. Provide training and education on cybersecurity best practices. Collaborate with businesses, government agencies, and financial institutions to ensure data privacy and secure transactions in an increasingly digital world. Stay up to date with the latest security trends and technologies to provide comprehensive protection to clients. 24. Health and wellness products. Introduce natural and organic health products, supplements, and wellness services to cater to the growing demand for healthier lifestyles. Develop a range of products such as nutritional supplements, herbal remedies, organic skincare, and fitness equipment. Offer wellness services such as yoga classes, meditation programs, and wellness retreats to promote holistic well-being. 25. Financial advisory services. Provide specialized financial advisory services to individuals and businesses. Offer guidance on financial planning, investment strategies, and risk management. Help clients make informed decisions regarding savings, retirement planning, insurance, and wealth management. Stay updated with financial regulations and market trends to provide accurate and relevant advice. 26. Sports infrastructure. Invest in sports facilities, sports academies, and sports event management to tap into Africa's growing interest in sports and the potential for talent development. Develop state-of-the-art sports complexes, training centers, and sports academies to nurture young athletes. Organize sporting events, leagues, and tournaments to promote sports participation and entertainment. 27. Online marketplaces. Create online marketplaces that connect buyers and sellers, facilitating e-commerce transaction and fostering entrepreneurship across various sectors. Provide a platform where businesses and individuals can showcase and sell their products or services. Implement secure payment system, customer reviews, and seller verification processes to ensure a trustworthy marketplace. 28. Tech incubators and startup support. Establish tech incubators and accelerators that provide mentorship, funding, and resources to startups. Support aspiring entrepreneurs by offering guidance in business planning, product development, and market strategy. Connect startups with potential investors, industry experts, and networking opportunities. Foster a collaborative environment that encourages innovation and growth. 29. Environmental consulting. Offer consulting services that help businesses adopt sustainable practices, obtain environmental certifications, and reduce their carbon footprint. Assist companies in developing environmentally friendly policies, waste reduction strategies, and energy efficiency measures. Conduct environmental impact assessments and provide guidance on compliance with environmental regulation. 30. Personal development and coaching. Launch personal development and coaching programs that empower individuals to unlock their potential and achieve their goals in various aspects of life. Offer coaching services in areas such as career development, leadership skills, communication, and personal growth. Provide workshops, training programs, and one-on-one coaching sessions to support individuals in their personal and professional journey. As we come to the end of this enlightening journey, we hope that these 30 business ideas have sparked your imagination and inspired you to take action. These 30 business ideas represent just a fraction of the opportunities available to entrepreneurs in Africa. By harnessing the continent's resources, embracing innovation, and addressing pressing challenges, you can position yourself for success and potentially become an instant millionaire. Remember, success requires dedication, perseverance, and the willingness to seize opportunities. By implementing the strategies and insights shared in this video, you can set yourself on a path towards not only financial prosperity, but also the chance to leave a lasting impact on Africa and its people. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts and question, and subscribe to Know This About Africa. for more fascinating content that explores the vast potential of the continent. Click on the notification bell to stay updated and never miss an opportunity to uncover the wealth of knowledge and opportunities that Africa has to offer.